Well, hello there. Welcome once more to Contro's Kitchen. And if this is your first time stopping by, I would like to say a very warm akwaba to you. Today I'm sharing with you a very simple, quick to whip up cranberry sauce that is so delicious. I hope you give this a try. I know you will love it. So for this recipe, you will need a 12-ounce package fresh cranberries, 1 large orange, half a cup of sugar, and half a cup of water. So I'm squeezing my orange right now to get the juice, and I'm going to make the sauce with the juice and the water combined. One thing I forgot to do was to zest my orange before I squeezed it. So I'm going to be out of order, out of sync. I will finish squeezing because it was after I finished squeezing that I remembered I didn't get a zest. So I'm still getting my zest, which is not so easy. So please remember to zest it before you do the squeezing. So I get 2 pieces of the zest to cook my sauce with. And now I have the cranberries, sugar, and now I'm adding my juice. I'll add in the water now, a pinch of salt, and my zest. And one thing I forgot to mention is I also added a pinch of cinnamon powder. And that, of course, is going to bring more flavor and aroma to your sauce that you probably won't get if you bought a can of cranberry sauce. And this is so easy to make. All it takes is 10 to 12 minutes. So from when I added all my ingredients in the pot, started the fire, it takes 10 to 12 minutes for this to be done. That is all you need. So I really hope you consider making your own sauce at home where you can control the ingredients. It has no added chemicals or preservatives, and you know what you're eating. If it is this simple, why even buy it, you know? So I'm just going to go ahead and continue cooking. This is about 8 minutes into the cooking time, and I'm just stirring, and I will let it cook and reduce just a little bit more, and it's ready to go on the table. So the full 10 minutes later, this is the end result. My cranberry sauce is made. So delicious. And this will be so perfect. Absolutely perfect with that turkey. Your guests, trust me, they will know the difference. They will know you didn't slack, but you went the extra mile to bring them nothing but the best on this Thanksgiving table. Try all my recipes, and I bet this is going to be the best Thanksgiving you ever hosted. And until I come your way next time with something delicious, be loving, be kind, be happy.